What we're going to do in the left hand is we're going to continue with those octaves, dig it, but I'm going to add a passing tone. So what I might do is either walk down to the 5 chord, right? Or we're going to do a half step below or above the chord we want to go to. So if I want to go from a C chord to a G chord, I might do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Look at me to get to the A. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So what that is a half step below the chord I'm going to. Up to the A minor. There it is. To the F. And then up to the C. So that's my left hand part. So let's just practice that one more time. Check it out now. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Dig it. That's the left hand part.